We don't have to get zero, right?
Okay, I'm ready to take questions now. Most it could cost.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What she's saying that like she doesn't think the possible number are what?
Does any other person have problem with number 4?
No.
Then let's reason it together. Who has tried number 4? Okay, so what do you have? What's your inequality like? Frank had $60, no, $6, right? He bought 3 cans of cola, lent his brother 3, okay, within the $60, obviously. When he got home, he put 50 cents in his piggy bank. What is the inequality? Give me that first. Anyone? So he had $6, right? So he bought 3 cans of cola. So if the price of 1 is X, so 3 will be 3X, right? 3X. Then he gave his brother how much?
$3.
So plus 3. He put 50 cents there.
Is smaller or equal to?
Is smaller or equal to? Not just smaller.
Can you write it like the other way around?
What do you mean the other way around?
Subtract 6 minus
6 minus
3x
3x.
minus 3 minus 0.5.
what? Again.
6 minus 3x
Uh-huh.
minus 3 minus 0.5
Uh-huh.
is larger than 0.
It's larger than 0. Yes.
Or larger or equal?
Larger or equal to 0. Yes.
But why is it equal to if it has
What if?
positive integers less than 5? Oh, okay.
What is Trudy saying?
She's asking why it would be 0 if you put 50 cents in the piggy bank, but we can put it to
I think it's more of what if the amount he put in the piggy bank is everything left with him? He's able to put 50 cents in his piggy bank. So there are 2 possibilities. Is it that is all he has, or that is all he wishes to save? You don't put everything you have on piggy bank, mostly. So that is why all the things he has spent, including his savings, I say that as his spending for that day, everything he has spent is either it is below the 6, so he has something left, or everything is equal to 6, so he has nothing left again. So that is why it should be less than or equal to, like this. This is the same as this anyway.
Yeah.
So what do you get?
X is less than or equal to 5 over 6.
5 over 6. What is 5 over 6? This is money.
0.832.
0.83.
Well, but 3 is
Remember we talked about this yesterday.
Oh yeah.
It's money.
Yeah.
I did wrong.
So what do you say? If x is less than or equal to 8.3, the question is what was the most a can could have cost? So what is the most a can could have cost? This is not the end. Guys, number 4, who got it to this point?
Why do we need 0.83?
Who got it to this point?
I thought I used a different equation, but I thought I did.
This different equation, did you use this? So which other equation? Let's have it.
Oh, I never.
Oh my god.
It's the other.
Who got the equation? Please signify if you got the equation. Alright, you just solve and you got this. So what is your conclusion after that?
It's less than or equal to
Because the question says, what was the most a can of cola could have cost? What is it? What?
0.8.
$0.83.
less than or equal to.
No, he said what is the most it could have cost.
Yeah.
So that is a specific value now. This is a range of values. So what this means is that a can of cola could be 0.83 or a can of cola could be less than 0.83. So what is the most it could have cost you? 0.83. So that should be your final result. Or 83 cents, yeah. Okay? The most a can of cola could have cost is 83 cents. So that should be your final result. Any other questions? Yeah, somebody was asking about question 5a. Please raise your hand if you do not know how to interpret number 5. So I know I'm talking to more than one person. All right. Okay, please pay attention. We mentioned this yesterday. Remember point number 3 that I wrote here? Exactly this point yesterday. I wrote number 3 here yesterday. Have you copied it?
Yeah.
All right, please, if you have copied it, look at point number 3. Oh, don't worry. This is what I wrote because of time. I said A less than X less than B. We can interpret it in 2 ways.
Oh yeah.
Well, of course, to suit what we did anyway. So A is less than X. Actually, it means 3 things because he pointed out the other one. It means A is less than X. At the same time, X is less than B, which of course means A is less than B anyway. But we don't need this part, usually. This is what we need. Does everyone understand why this is this?
Yeah.
You understand why this is this?
Yeah.
So exactly. So the question, let's look at 9, A for example. 9 is less than 4x plus 1 less than 13. So this is your A. This is the X part, and this is your B. A less than X less than B means you take the first 2 and you take the last 2. What do I mean by the first and the last? The first less than the second group less than the third group. That's what I mean. Okay? So it means the first group is less than the second. At the same time, the second is less than the third. So what is the first here?
9 is
9. So it means 9 is less than 4x plus 1. And at the same time, what happens?
9. Oh, 4x plus 1 is less than 13.
It's less than 13. So you solve this separately. Okay? Solve it separately and you merge them as this again. You have to merge it as this again. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So let me see you solve it, and I want to see what this looks like. If you don't know how to merge it, I will explain again, but try it first.
Did you solve it separately?
No, after you solve, the 2 results will be combined as this. So your results should look like 5 less than x less than 9 or less than 8, something like that. So this is called combining the 2 inequalities. You solve this one separately, solve this one separately, then you combine the results. Alright?
呢個加埋晒，或者呢個加呢個，你做乜嘢？
Oh, I'm done.
Let me see. Can you put them side by side? It looks, it's not, you know, I don't know how to put it. Just put it side by side so we can see clearly what it means. So when I'm done checking if it's right, I want to put it side by side. Saying put it side by side. When I'm done, you put the second one beside the first one. So if x is greater than or 2, it's less than x. Perfect. So put the second solution beside the first one. Can I ask you to please write the solutions like this? 2 like that. Okay? This is how you can avoid mistakes. If you finish one of the solutions, then you write the second one. Sometimes it's difficult for some people to pick the answers from the 2 lines. But if they are side by side, you could see this one is maybe x less than 1, this is maybe x greater than maybe 0.5, something like that. You could see that these are the 2 answers you are dealing with. I'm saying bring this part to this side. So you have them, because you are interpreting one thing anyway. Yes, please. Okay. No, you don't put it back. You kind of interpret this. So, you got 2 answers. What is the first one?
X is greater than 2.
And the second one?
X is less than 3.
So, which one is the smaller one? 2. Right? So, it means from your A less than X less than B, this is the smaller one. This is the bigger one. So, the smaller one is going to be on this side. But this is, everything has to be in the less than form. So the first thing is turn this around. Can you see that?
Yeah.
So all you need to do is, now I'm going to merge these 2. Now watch. It's trivia. Have I changed anything? No. Alright. I just merge this. I stick it on it and it fits like that. Alright, I'll show you again. So, one is x greater than 2. Yeah? Okay. One is x greater than 2.
Yeah.
And the other is x less than 3. Right?
Yeah.
Please, if you don't know how to mark the results to get this, please raise your hand. And I want you to listen. If you don't know, from these two, everybody please look at the board. Everybody look at the board. This is about number 5. If you get these two, that is not the end. This is your final result. So if you don't know how to achieve the final result, please pay attention for just a few seconds. So we got these two answers. The format you want is a less than x less than b. The format is always less than less than. Okay? Less than less than. This is the smaller number of the two solutions. I have 2 and I have 3. 2 is the smaller one. And the smaller one is in greater than format. So you change it to 2 less than x. Okay? Now this x, please pay attention. This x is here. The same x is here. So I'm going to write it as 1. 2 less than x. This is, so I'm here now automatically. All I need to do is join. So think of this as a card that I'm sticking on this such that x and x are on top of each other. So the next thing I have is what? Less than 3. So it's like the first card overlapping on the second card.
So that's the answer?
That's the answer.
Okay, so you don't have to write anything down.
So that's 2 less than x. Yeah. So can you write 2 less than x here? So you can see why. So you can see we change this to 2 less than x.
Yeah.
Then we use it to write the answer. So can you write this so that you can remember next time why you did that? Yes, please. Yes, what is the question?
For me,
No, it is not necessary anymore because you need less than.
and also another question is
Perimeter is greater than. Read, Abby. Yep.
For side by side. I think your question is.
No, you heard me saying it, so why did you finish your question with it?
I finished already.
No, put it side by side. I want to see side by side. Alright, quickly. Is it clear enough? Do you want me to explain again? Okay? We have 5 minutes more. If anybody has any question, please let me know. Mr. Ayala was thinking the because if you still have some money, then we can't assume it's less than or equal to. Yeah.
You say you change it to small.
So what is the area?
I'll take a look.
The area is 2x squared minus x.
What help with it?
The range of that. So for 2 less than x, so try for 2 and try for 3, and that's going to be the range. You get? Like that. So area is 2x squared minus x squared. So this is x less than 2. When x is less than 2, area is less than, because x is less than 2, then area is less than whatever that is. When x is greater than less than 3, area is less than 3. Question?
Oh yeah, how do you do
Information.
Inequality. This is the same.
If you go to this house, yeah, you are. Yeah, Well, maybe if you like, now that you something like,
What do you choose?
你先做完，我再问你。
it's like, it is a spoiler.
Was any of you listening yesterday when I talked about fraction?
That's weird.
I'm talking to the other two. Was any of you listening? Somebody remind me what I Give an example yesterday. I wrote it like this. So I wrote it around here. Something like x over 2, x over 3, maybe less than 1. Can you remind me what I said? And after that, I had it. I never said it had to fraction. Oh, it's just command denominator, so I understand. They will bring something to now. Everything to think. I said this yesterday, and I'm sure that was clear. Maybe you were listening because it's called LCM.
That's a thousand things. You know that you get a fraction.
Find the LCM, it is 6. You multiply each term by 6. I demonstrated it here on this side, I'm sure. 6 multiplied by this, 6 multiplied by that, 6 multiplied by that. X over 2, x over 3. And this is how you play a fraction. So you are left with 3x, 2x, less than 6. And this is how you play a fraction. Multiply each term by the LCM. At the end of the day, we don't want anything at the bottom. Whatever you multiply, you must leave only 1 at the bottom. Only 1. Not even negative 1. Only plus 1 at the bottom. And that is how the denominator disappears. Alright, so figure that out now.
Why was everybody else trying to find
What do you mean everybody? Maybe they are doing it wrong.
因为如果你复出来乘一个，你所有都要乘。
Maybe they are doing it wrong. You follow it rightly and see. And when you multiply by 24, it doesn't mean you won't get it. It's just like you have to divide again.
这里3这吧，这个别看这个东西错了，这是3乘以30小于等于8乘以负12减去42乘以负6就等于2嘛，那2然后再 x 加3，这后面就只能两个去除去掉这个那个。
You do use negative 24?
Yeah.
So why is this still here?
Oh, yeah.
Flip it.
Yeah, it's flipped.
And that is why she's confused, because they are using 24 instead of 12.
Yeah, I forgot.
Okay, so we're going to end the class now. Does anybody have a question? Final one, quickly. Yeah.
别忘了要 put，因为它是
Question 11, Alex is asking question 11. Who can tell me what that is? No. It says explain why you cannot make a triangle with sticks of length 3, 4, and 8.
Oh, because 3 plus 4 is smaller than 8.
And it should be?
It should be greater than 8.
Exactly. The sum of the smaller sides must be greater than the third side in the triangle. Yeah, she's an alien. Okay, so that is where your clue comes from.
So much fish that she's.
Yeah, so much fish. She told us it's fish. Yes, quickly.
Because we have 3 and 4 and 5 and 3 plus 4 is 7. How is 7?
7 is less than 8.
Nice argument, alien number 2.
Never mind.
So you see,
the original
this plus 4 must be greater than this.
Never mind.
Alright?
Another alien. Oh,
You understand?
you know what Alex said?
What is that?
Shut up.
Oh, sorry, please go. Okay, so we're going to stop now. If you have any other question, send me a message on Edmodo.